as the golden sun is slowly sinking. The sky turns red, the stars awaken. I see your face in the fading light, and everything suddenly feels so right. The evening breeze whispers your name. My heart beats softly just the same. Walking beside you hand in hand, feels like we found our promised land. When the daylight fades away, I just want you here to stay. In this beautiful evening glow, there's nowhere else I wanna go. Oh, love in the evening, under the twilight sky. Your eyes are shining like stars passing by. Hold me closer, don't let this moment go. You are the only love I want you to know. Oh, love in the evening, hearts beating as one, dancing in the shadows after the setting sun. With you beside me, every dream feels new. My evening becomes beautiful because of you. The birds are flying back to their home, but with you I never feel alone. The moon is rising above the trees. Your gentle smile moves with the breeze. Let the night come, let the world disappear. I only need you beside me here. No words are needed, your heart understands. Love feels sweeter when I hold your hand. Silver light, I'll keep you close throughout the night. Oh, love in the evening, under the twilight sky. Your eyes are shining like stars passing by. Hold me closer, don't let this moment go. You are the only love I want you to know. Oh, love in the evening, forever we'll be two hearts together, wild and free. And whenever the evening paints the sky blue,